What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and today's video is going to be about affiliate marketing for beginners in 2019, and I'm actually going to share with you 5 mistakes to avoid as an affiliate marketer. All you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, affiliate marketing and much more on a consistent basis, and hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so I'm gonna cover 5 mistakes, and most of them are mistakes that I learned the hard way, so I wanted to share them with you here today so you can avoid them, so you don't have to spend countless hours and thousands of dollars by trying out and experimenting on these mistakes. Make sure you stick around and watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information. And at the end of this video, I highly recommend you to check out my #1 recommendation right here below on how to make a full-time passive income online. And it goes hand in hand with what I'm going to share with you here today also. Alright, with that being said, let's get started with a mistake #1. Okay, mistake #1 is not building an email list. Now, if you follow me, you probably heard this before, but I really learned this the hard way. And the hard way was that I thought that I didn't need to build an email list in the past when I got started. So I had a Facebook page, I started to drive traffic, I spent thousands of dollars there, and I just woke up one day and have seen that my page was taken down by Facebook. So I of course couldn't get it back, and that's where I felt totally lost there and started to dive in about email marketing, because I heard all the time the money's in the list, the money's in the list, and that's where I realized how important it was to build an email list there. And also, I actually later on wanted to expand on it. I became a solo ad vendor, I learned even more about email list building, and I also created a course which is Daily List Profits. This is where I show people actually how they can get started with making their $100 plus per day, and it's all about affiliate marketing and list building also. So basically the formula is really simple. Okay, so if we have the traffic here, what you're going to do is you want to drive it to a squeeze page or an opt-in page. There are many names for it actually, but it looks something like this. And this is actually where I have the copy here. You can see the headline, how I made $420 in less than 24 hours, and how you can do it too. Okay, and it is about a free video case study. So I want your email address in exchange for you to see this video. And later on, when you have opted in, of course, we are going to stay connected there, because you read my emails, and it's all about like and trust, because usually most of the times people don't buy the first time, so they want to stay connected with you also there. So it's definitely important to build an email sequence there. Provide some value, not only bombard with offers, because I've seen it also. Many of the affiliate marketers, when they start out, they're just bombing every single day, 2 or 3 times a day, only promoting and nothing else. So make sure you provide some kind of a value there also. After they have opted in, there is an alternative. You can create a bridge page with a video if you're not afraid to be shown at the video, because it will definitely help in branding purpose and also the like and trust, which I mentioned earlier here. And then they can see the offer. Now, some people will buy straight away, some will not buy straight away, and that's where the email sequence comes in here. So this is basically the formula, really simple, and probably the most important to keep in mind as an affiliate marketer. Alright, let's move on to the next one, which is not doing research about the offer. And it's really super easy to do this, because if you have decided to promote an offer and you can't find the affiliate page, just go to Google. I just took an example here, 2-week diet affiliate. This is a ClickBank product, and you can arrive to the page here where you can see that there is tons of information for you to use here as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so it doesn't matter in what way you're going to promote here. You can see you have coupon codes, you have banners, you have videos, email swipes, press releases. There is so much content, so do your research well, because it's going to help you a lot, of course, to promote. Okay, so you can use a few things here to send an email and talk about the product. It's definitely going to help you to promote the product there. All right, let's move on to the next one. This is also an important one. Most affiliate marketers, they are trying to sell instead of pre-sell, because affiliate marketing is actually what this is all about. You want to pre-sell, okay? So if you take an example for the 2-week diet again, these are pros, okay? This is a professional company that stands behind this product. They have spent thousands of dollars in their video sales copy, in the pre-sale material, in the product, in everything. Let them do the selling for you, okay? All you have to do is provide some kind of a value in your emails, build your trust there, and have them to watch the 2-week diet, okay? So make sure this is what you want them to do. You want them to click and see the sales page, okay? And let them do the selling. So this is definitely an important one also. Not testing, okay? You don't listen to what others have to say. Many times I listened in the past and they say, oh, it doesn't convert, this is not working, and so on. And then I just wanted, of curiosity, of course, test out an offer, and it seems that it converted for me. So what converts for me might not convert for you, and vice versa. So don't just listen to what others are saying all the time, okay? Find your product there that you want to promote, test a similar product. You can do this by doing an A/B split testing. The split testing is that you send 100 people to 2 different offers, so they are seeing 50 and 50, and you can see what converts, for example, okay? I'm going to expand on it a little bit more on the next tip here. So what we want to avoid, another thing which is very, very important. So make sure you test, okay? Don't be afraid. Test products that if they haven't seen it, never before. I mean, for example, 2-week diet is a huge product, but there is other products that are similar, and they might work better for you and your niche there, okay? So let's move on to the next one, and this is also a very, very important. Not tracking, okay? If you don't track, you're totally lost. You don't know where you spend your money, your effort. You need to track, okay? And you need to track actually results, your conversions there. You need to track your A/B split testing. So as I mentioned earlier, split testing, we send 50 people to one page and 50 to another. Just to illustrate an example, or to show you a real example, here is my squeeze page. This is what you saw earlier here. I tested it out with this page, okay? And I noticed actually that I got 10% more conversions on this page. And 10% a lot, okay? I mean, on 100 people, it's actually 10 people that opts in. All right, so you do need to do this actually on a daily basis. Test every single day. I mean, what you can do, you can use exact the same page here, and you can take away that free video, for example. Use the free, use the video reveals only. Use another color here, okay? So make sure you test one thing at a time also. This is very important. And you can do this really, really easy by using a software like ClickMagick. ClickMagick is a fantastic tool in overall, actually, because it covers everything that I mentioned here, okay? So it has a rotator. You can actually promote 2 or 3 things. So if I have seen the first offer, they're not buying that, they can see the next offer. That is how a rotator works. You can do actually some even pay-per-click keywords here on this one. You can do the geo and mobile targeting. There is also Facebook and Google Analytics. And it's definitely probably number 1 tool, which is very affordable also. and there is actually a free trial for 14 days here. So I will leave a link below here. If you want to, you can have a look at it. If you don't have anything to track, this is definitely my number one recommendation on how to do the tracking, the split testing and everything. So there you have it, 5 very important mistakes to avoid, okay, because they can cost you a fortune and you will spend countless of hours if you don't implement those tips here that I shared with you. Okay, so as I said in the beginning, if you're interested to expand more and if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my number one recommendation right here below. If you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. It really helps a lot. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to make money online, affiliate marketing, work from home opportunities. So make sure you subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another video about affiliate marketing, work from home opportunities and make money online. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you soon.